On PlayStation, download speed is very low. 99 plus hours left to download a single game. Stuck on 99 plus hours left. In PC, Steam says 3 days remaining to download a single game. Download speed is very low. Internet speed test says your internet download speed is very low. When I test the internet speed, it says speed is very low. Let's fix this problem. Solution 1. Run CMD as administrator. Type the command ipconfig plus DNS and press enter key. This will flush the DNS server cache. Then type the command ipconfig register DNS and press enter key. This will increase the download speed. Solution 2. Go to settings, do network reset. Open settings, search for network reset. Click reset now. Restart PC. Solution 3. Unplug or turn off the device. After all the lights on the device are off, wait at least 10 seconds. Turn the device back on or plug it back into the power outlet. To restart a router or access point that has a built-in battery, press and quickly release the reset button. Subscribe.